If you're getting Epic Games error code 7002.1, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick fix that can help get things working again. This issue is often caused by launcher cache problems or corrupted game files, so we're going to clean that up step by step. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. First, close both the Epic Games Launcher and the Rockstar Games Launcher completely. You want to make sure neither program is running in the background, so check your taskbar and system tray as well. If needed, open Task Manager and end any Epic Games or Rockstar related processes. Next, open File Explorer and go to Documents, then Rockstar Games, then Social Club. Inside that folder, delete the contents of the Social Club folder. This clears out the Rockstar Games Launcher cache, which can often be the reason behind error code 7002.1. If you see files inside that folder, remove them all, but make sure you're deleting the contents of the folder, not the folder itself. Once that's done, the next step is to run the Rockstar Games Launcher as an administrator. To do that, right-click the launcher icon and choose Run as Administrator. Giving it admin permissions can help it rebuild the necessary files properly and avoid permission-related errors. After that, reopen Epic Games and try launching the game again. In many cases, this is enough to fix the problem and let the game start normally. If the error still appears, go back and double check that the launcher cache was fully cleared and that both launchers were restarted after the cleanup. This is one of the simplest fixes for Epic Games error code 7002.1, and it works especially well when the issue is tied to Rockstar services or a damaged cache file. Taking a minute to clean the cache and relaunch the app can save you a lot of frustration. If this video helped, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more helpful gaming fixes and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.